Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can invite someone like your contacts or friends to your events and tasks on Google Calendar in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to Google Calendar, for example, to the overview of your calendar and pick the date or the event to be more precise. At this point you would like to edit. So let me go with this one here, prepare video list for YouTube channel. Just for the sake of this tutorial, click into it. And then guys, you will see the following options. You can invite someone via an invitation link. Simply click into the button and copy that shareable invitation link to your clipboard to share that invitation to that event to the given user. Alternatively guys, you may use an email invitation. Click into this pencil button, and then what you want to do guys is click into add guests here. You can invite someone as guests and then simply pick the email address from, or pick the contact from the list below to invite the given user and to send an invitation via email so that the given user may accept or decline the invitation to the event. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.